Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2018 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has less than 10,000 miles. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated and ventilated seats, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and voice-activated navigation. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.